morning to you over here. First of all, I'll first introduce myself. I'm Ola Abdurrahman. I'm a web developer and also a blogger. That is, I'm the CEO of ayekotolele.com. So first of all, I'll be teaching you some things, and this is the first tutorial I'll be doing, which I'll be taking you how to install, how to download, and how to install your Kali Linux. So in this tutorial, you'll be able to download and you'll be able to to install your Kali Linux on your system. That is how you can generate a lot of things, and I will teach you some things you can do with Kali Linux. So but in this tutorial, I will teach you just how to download and how to install. Please, thank you for watching this tutorial. Please try to follow us on this tutorial. Try to follow all the steps that we did in this tutorial. Thank you. I'll be happy if you can like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you another time when I will be teaching you how to do and how to start coding. I will teach you to be a web developer. I'll be teaching you a lot of things on it. To be a bloggers, I'll be teaching you a lot of things on it. And to be a hacker, that you'll be hacking a lot of things. But never have it in mind that you want to learn something for what? For people to know that you are good in it. But try to learn it for your own sake. Teaching you hacking doesn't mean I want to start teaching you a lot of things to be doing it to be doing the bad things, but I want to start teaching you just for educational purpose. So try to follow us on this tutorial, try to subscribe, share our link to your friends, and try to follow us in all the tutorial we are doing. Thanks for watching. See you another time. So in this area I'll be using India network, so just try to use Nigerian one. I just wish to use India, so you can try to use Nigerian one if you wish. So in this area I'll be using QTech as my domain name, so just continue what you can also use another thing for yours. for it to load finish. So thank you for watching our tutorial. So just follow all the steps, follow the step one by one how we did it. So after you have followed the step, you get it. Thanks for watching our tutorial. See you another time when I will be showing you some things on how to do some things with your Kali Linux. So thank you. Try to subscribe for our channel. Thank you so much.